Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your iPhone and customize your appearance settings to make your device look exactly how you like it. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, at the very top, you'll see two options, Light and Dark. Simply tap on Dark to instantly switch your iPhone to dark mode. You'll notice the background, menus, and supported apps change to a darker theme, which is easier on the eyes and great for nighttime use. If you want dark mode to turn on automatically, tap on Automatic. Then choose Options, and you can select Sunset to Sunrise or Custom Schedule if you want it to turn on and off at specific times. Now let's customize the appearance a bit more. Under the same display and brightness settings, you can adjust the brightness slider to make your screen lighter or darker. You can also enable True Tone to automatically adjust your display color based on lighting, or turn on Night Shift to reduce blue light during nighttime use. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode and customized your display appearance to match your preference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.